Here's how to quickly uninstall apps on your new Samsung Galaxy S26 series in 3 simple ways. So first, for removing one app, just tap and hold the app you want to delete from your app library, then choose uninstall from the menu. It's really quick and done in seconds. Now the second method, for removing multiple apps at once, tap and hold any app, and now you have to pick select, then tap all the apps you want to get rid of, and finally hit uninstall at the top. Now the final method, using the Play Store, you have to open up your Google Play Store, then tap on your profile icon and go to Manage Apps and Device. Here you have to switch to the Manage tab, and now you have to select the apps you want and tap Delete. Then choose Uninstall from the menu. And that's it. 3 simple ways to clean up your phone and free up space. Thanks for your time.